Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to yet another exciting video, and today's video will be a review video. So in today's video I'm going to review a lipstick, which is this one. This is a very new launch from Blue Heaven. This is the Blue Heaven Hyperstay Super Matte Lipstick. This is the product. So in this video I'll be reviewing this. So if you're interested to know more about the lipstick and see the lip swatches, then keep on watching. But before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to comment down below what you think about this video, obviously after watching this video. And now without any further blabbering, let's begin. So starting the video, let's talk about the packaging. So this is what the product looks like. This comes in a cardboard packaging, like normal cardboard packaging, in which it's written Blue Heaven Hyperstay Super Matte Lipstick. And on the above, the shade name is also written. That's quite handy. So the specific one is called Cookie Chip, and on the back side again Cookie Chip is written, and also the MRP is also written. The MRP of this product is ₹300, but obviously you can grab it at very much lower price during sale from Purple or Nykaa. I purchased it from purple.com. The net quantity of this product is 2.2 gram, and the expiry date is 2 years, that is 24 months. And yeah, that's basically about all the things that I need to inform. And then when you open it, it's like this. Ooh, and this is the actual product. The packaging, like the inside packaging, is quite luxurious for the price being like for 300 rupees safe. The MRP, though you will get it at around 178 or so, but look at the packaging. It's so classy and luxurious. I totally loved it, and when I saw it first time I was like blown, because this is so good. And on the packaging also, like the inner packaging, it's also written on the body Blue Heaven Hyperstay Super Matte Lipstick, and it has a very good and sturdy packaging. Like, let me show you, like it's really tight, and when you open it, it's like this. And this is the product. When you twist it, you get it like this. You get this much of quantity, which is a lot for a lipstick, because you don't really use all of them, because wo hota nahi na. So that was about the packaging of this product. And now let's talk about the formula, the lasting power, and all of those stuff. So talking about the formula, so today itself I wore this specific shade only. Such a pretty shade, right? Anyways, it is a matte lipstick, so you should always apply a lip balm beneath, keep it for 1 minute, and then wipe it off, and then use the lipstick. So it will be more smooth to apply. So I did the same, and you can see there is no crack, and it's not even feeling like I have applied something very heavy and not sticky. It's very good formula. I totally love the formula. It's very lightweight, and I think so far this is the best formula lipstick from Blue Heaven. Like, they have worked really hard and good, I would say, to make this product, because the formula is so good. I'm talking about the lasting power of this lipstick. It will no doubt it will at least stay for 5 hours if you don't eat something oily. And if you do eat something oily, then it will start to get removed from like the inner part. It won't just go off like this. It will just start fading. That's good part, because in some lipstick that happens, like it just from some portion it's there and from some portion it's gone. That's very bad, but it's not the case with this. It will just slightly start fading away if you eat something oily. Otherwise it will last you for 5 hours or so, which is quite good. And this is a bullet lipstick, so you will just reapply very easily. It is completely transfer proof, as you can see. It doesn't feel sticky at all. And now let's move to something that you are most excited and waiting for, the swatches. Obviously that's the main part about any lipstick video, I know. And so now let's move to the swatches. So before moving to the swatches, I just zoomed in the camera so that you can see the lip swatches more clearly. So this is the first shade that I'm wearing right now. This is called the Cookie Chip, and this is a very beautiful like chocolate brown color. And this is the swatch. I don't know whether you can see it or not. This is the shade. This is a very pretty shade and it will look good on all the skin tones out there, and that's the best part. Anyways, this is the shade. Now let's move to the next shade. So next up we have this shade. So this is the shade Velvet Maroon, and this is how the color looks like. Woo. Hand swatch. This is the shade Velvet Maroon. And now let's see how it looks on my lips. And also I forgot to say the pigmentation. It is very pigmented and it will get a one stroke application. And this is the Velvet Maroon. Like you can see, it's so pretty and perfect for the upcoming festive seasons. And now let's move to the next shade. So next up we have is this is called the Mermaid Latte, and I think I got a similar shade because it looks so similar with the Cookie Chip. But anyways, this is a Cookie Chip and I'm swatching it over here. This is the Molten Latte. Sorry, I think I pronounced it wrong before. It's Molten Latte, okay? I think I said it Velvet Melot or something like that. This is the Molten Latte. This is the Molten Latte and this is the Cookie Chip. This is very similar to Cookie Chip, so I will suggest you not to buy both the shade. You can just buy any out of these two. This is like a little darker than the Cookie Chip and that was a little lighter, so you can just buy one according to your need. Just don't go for both the shade because both look so same on the lips. On the packaging it might look a little different, but when you will apply it on your lips it will look the same, so it's a waste of money. So just buy one shade, don't buy both the shade. So anyways, this is the Molten Latte and this will again look good on all the beautiful skin tones out there. And now let's move to the next shade. And now next up we have this shade. So this is called the Blushed Mood and this is a pink shade like this. Here goes the hand swatch and this is how the shade Blushed Mood looks like. And now let's try it on the lips quickly. So this is the shade Blushed Mood. This one won't look good on everyone. It will wash you out even if you are one shade darker than me. Like I think if you are on my shade, up to my shade, it will like work on you. And if you are fair skin tone girl, then it will look very pretty on you. You can also use it as a pink nude shade, but if you are darker than me, one or two shade also, I think it will wash you out. You can wear it with a lip liner, it will work. It's not like that it will totally wash you out even if you wear lip liner. With lip liner this can be used, but it will wash you out on its own if you are darker than me. So this is the shade Blushed Nude. Now now moving to the last shade that I have. This is called the Softy Mauve. So this is how it looks. It's a pure mauve shade, and here goes the hand swatch. I hope it's visible, I don't know. Let's see how it looks on me. So this is how the shade Softy Mauve looks on me. It's a very pretty everyday shade, and I didn't expect it to look that good. I thought, like initially when I saw this shade, I thought that it will wash me out. But no, this looks so pretty. But yeah, if you are like 4 to 5 shades darker than me, then it might wash you out. But still you can use it with a lip liner. But if you are like 7 to 8 shades darker than me, then I think you should not go for this shade because it will wash you out totally. But otherwise it's a very pretty shade, and I will definitely suggest you to give this a try. This is so pretty, and it's a perfect everyday nude shade, and it's not like brown nude, it's a very different shade, like a mauve nude, and I think it's a great shade, so definitely give this a try. So those were the swatches of all the shades I had, and I hope those were helpful for you. And if you're someone who is looking for the swatches so that you can buy one for yourself, then I think this was helpful for you. And yeah, that's basically about this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and we will meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.